I want to demo timelines, which is an upcoming feature coming within the next few releases of SoundBase. First, we need to go over to our devices page and select our networking interface. Now you'll see SoundBase is discovering all these different devices. We have Wisycom here, we have some Shure, and then we have some Sennheiser. Let's just, to start, we're going to add in some Sennheiser devices. We'll go like this, and we'll add in these EWDXs, and we can add in this Axient Digital. Next, if we come over to monitoring, and we open up the channels, and we enable all channels, you'll see here we can now see some of our devices that we are monitoring. If I were to talk into any of them, you'll see some activity coming in. And what's cool about this is now if you can see this little bit of a border depending on which card I'm hovering over, and if I would click on that card, you can now see this little timeline action bar pop up in the bottom of the screen. And if I were to jump to the Axient Digital, now I'm viewing the Axient Digitals. From there, I can adjust the different times. So right now I'm looking at a 5-minute window. And then this little marker right here is just indicating when the device became online and offline. This means that if I were to turn off the device, then there would be another dashed line there indicating that we have lost connectivity. From here, I can then also open up the full screen, and I have the same controls here too. And then I can also go through and use this timeline scrubber to go back and forth to view the different data. If I were to go over to the EWDX and go to full screen, and if I go to audio, and now if I'm talking into the audio, you can see now that it's registering my voice talking into it. Timelines are able to be recorded and exported for later viewing. By default, they automatically do record as soon as a device is connected. Unlike some other applications that offer timeline capabilities, they require you to manually enable recording. SoundBase does this automatically for you, so you never have to worry or remember to hit record before your show. We also have timelines in our table view. So jumping over to this other view, if I were to click on the device here, I can quickly expand them and quickly hide them. So what's also nice about timelines in SoundBase is that it doesn't require to have a separate window dedicated for timelines. You can quickly access the data as needed. And that's just a quick demo of timelines in SoundBase.